Hi guys, Evan from Portland Boatworks here. Today I'm excited to walk you through our stock 2025 Tiara 43 LS. Powered with twin 600 Mercury outboards, this is one of Tiara's most popular models. Let's hop in and take a look. Here we are in the cockpit on the 43 LS. Probably one of the most signature features on all the Tiara LS models is the spinning lounge aft seat. We have a lock button right here. I hit this button and it unlocks it, and you'll see this entire seat spins, okay? Now, a couple cool things about this seat. One, it transforms basically your entire boat. Number two is it spins off center. So if you notice how much space we had in the cockpit, now it's a little bit smaller back here, but with the seat facing aft, we've gained a ton of space back here. So if you're at the sandbar, you're anchored, you're just enjoying the sunset or the view from the stern, you've gained a ton of space right here and really made this entire area a lot more usable. We have a teak table right here as well that folds into two positions, which is really nice for your lounging or eating or dining, however you want to envision yourself using the boat. You can see this is a nice easy spin, one hand, and it locks in place on its own, so it's super safe, super easy. Here's our teak table I was talking about. You'll notice a ton of cup holders back here. We have 6 cup holders in this lounge right here, which is really nice. And this table folds open like this. There is a plug pull right here, and this whole thing spins like so. And the table goes up and down. The benefit to this is it also goes flat, comes with a cushion set, and this entire lounge turns into a big sunbed, which is a really nice feature. I am on the port side folding Terrace door on the 43 LS. Really cool feature from Tiara. It really adds a ton of space to your cockpit. Great again for anchoring, sandbarring, what have you. A couple things with this. Here's the controls for it, up and down. Pro tip, the ignition keys have to be off in order for this to work to prevent you from accidentally going while this is down. So nice safety feature from Tiara. Really opens up the boat. You notice it has the platinum interior with the white stripes on it, so it matches the hull color super nice. Really desirable feature that's new to Tiara on this model from last model year. I'm in the galley of the 43 LS, and if you notice, I am inside our enclosure here. Now, the benefit to having this enclosure like this, especially for us folks in New England, is the boat comes equipped with air conditioning and reverse cycle heat, not only for your cabin down below, but also your helm and galley area. So with this enclosure up, I can have the heat on in here, or I can have the air conditioning on, depending on the temperature. Now envision yourself on a hot summer day, ton of people on board, no more time for the canvas. So we took the canvas off. You can see this opens up this entire area to make this outdoor galley really part of the cockpit, which is really nice. We have an electric sunshade that comes standard on the boat that comes out of the hardtop up here that kind of rotates all the way out. And you notice here we have a huge bench that can fit several people across it with the sliding cup holder divider as well, which is really nice. Underneath this compartment, we have a ton of storage as well for our lines, life jackets, flares, what have you. Additionally, your stern anchor is stored right there on the starboard side in that compartment. So really nice storage, really nice space here, really welcoming and inviting area to the cockpit. Honing in on the galley area on the 43 LS, you see we have a huge island prep station right here, which is really nice. On top, we have our grill, and we have our sink there as well. Over to my side here, we have the optional ice maker, which is nice for when you need ice on board. You also have 2 drawers with teak faces right here, which is again really nice. Refrigerator, freezer, okay? So again, ton of refrigeration on board, which is nice. And then finally, off to the port side here, we have our trash can that folds out. As I mentioned earlier, the boat has heat and air conditioning in this area as well. Our vents are located right here behind the captain's chairs, so it blows directly on you as you're in the galley. Additionally, too, we have a Yeti that is stored under there that slides out like so for nice, quick, easy access to get to your drinks or beverages. Talking about the helm on the 43 LS, we have the standard twin 16-inch Garmin GPS fish finder radar combo, which is a nice feature. We have the standard Fusion stereo package as well. At the helm here, you see we have the upgraded teak wheel for the steering wheel. Tiara offers a standard bow thruster on this model as well, which that is right there. We have the standard Mercury joystick right here with skyhook capabilities is right here, just to the right of the control box. This boat's equipped with a spotlight as well, so the spotlight control is right here below the control box throttle. We have our vents for the air conditioners here, blowing right at you at the helm here and off to your port side seat as well. So again, blowing cool air in the summer, warm air in the winter, however you set your thermostat to make the boating best for your scenario. As you'll notice, I took off some of the isinglass here for filming. Just like the Galley, this entire area encloses it. One of the benefits I like about it is that you can totally remove the door right here. So if you're coming in and out of the boat a lot, you don't want to take your entire canvas off, you could just take the door off and store it somewhere. So again, the benefits of the isinglass, on warm days, you want the air conditioning on, this whole entire area will stay cool. And on cool days, you want the heat on, this entire area can stay warm. Down in the spacious cabin on the 43L, we have a ton of room. As you can see, I'm sitting on the main berth right here, which is quite comfortable and quite large. Off to the starboard side, when you walk in, we have our main DC system and AC system breaker panel right here. Everything, electrical that you need to access, breakers-wise, battery switch-wise, etc., is right here. Below that, we have this nice hanging locker, which is a really nice feature as well. You need to hang from clothes. So great storage. Another really impressive feature on this model is the size of the head. It's quite large. You have a large sink with storage underneath. You have a towel rack in there with a large mirror as well. Additionally, you have a shower with hot and cold water. So you can spend a weekend on the boat, no problem, or it's an ultimate day boat. Possibilities are really endless on the 43LS. I'm in the aft cabin on the 43LS, and look how much room there is down here. I'm about 6 feet tall, plenty of room here. We've got blind that goes across here for privacy. Also, really smart idea, light switches. So your guests don't have to get up and down out of the bed every time they want to turn the lights off. Let's talk briefly about some of the storage on the 43LS. You can see we have 2 large cubbies in there, forward of the main berth. We have drawers underneath the bed, and then we have a trash can under here, which is really nice for either storage or pretty good trash. Additionally, our microwave is stored down here out of the elements, so if you need to heat something up really quick, you have that option as well. I'm sitting up here in the bow on the 43LS, and look at a ton of space up here. You have space for 3 people with individual armrests, cup holders, which is a really comfortable spot when the boat is running. We also have a footrest right here that lifts up super easily. Here, lock into place. So again, comfort's the name of the game on this boat, and we have plenty of it on this model. Our boat's equipped with a forward sunshade as well that has the support poles that go up in the bow. Additionally, there's a teak table that stores up front. There's a lot of storage up here in the bow as well. Off to the port and starboard side, you'll see both compartments lift up for deep, nice storage. The legs for the teak table that stores underneath where I'm sitting, the legs screw into where my feet are right here, and the teak table plops in right there. Anchor locker access is really nice on this boat as well. The lid's got a nice gas assist shock on it, which is good and nice and safe. See, we have a large anchor under here. We also have our remote control for the windlass up here. You can do it from the helm or up here at the windlass itself. But you can see nice, clean, easy access to everything to do with the anchor. I'm down here in the huge, spacious bilge on the 43LS. Our boat's equipped with the Cummins Onan diesel generator, Seakeeper as well. So everyone's all about Seakeeper technology. It's truly an amazing thing. We stock 99% of our Tiaras with the Seakeeper, as it's truly a game changer. But nice thing about Tiara, easy access to everything. Everything's labeled, really well laid out, and huge, right? You're not working through a tiny access point. Battery chargers are right there. Here is our Seakeeper behind the ladder, which is easily removable. The ladder, not the Seakeeper. We have our diesel Cummins Onan generator right here. Behind me, we have the diesel tank for the generator. That's right there. Batteries, Fireboy safety system, and reversal flush for the outboards. That's what you see, those pink lines right there. It's full of antifreeze. So again, really great access to everything. Really good visibility. Finished off well. It's no rough fiberglass. It's all smooth. Really a gem of a boat to work on. A lot of boat owners will really appreciate it when they look inside the bilge of the Tiara. The Tiara Yachts 43LS has a length overall of 43 feet 6 inches, a beam of 13 feet, dry weight coming in at 22,400 pounds, has a 3-foot 5-inch draft, and it holds an impressive 400 gallons of fuel, 60 gallons of water, and it has a holding tank capacity of 40 gallons. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on the stock 2025 Tiara Yachts 43LS. I'm Evan from Portland Boatworks. Don't forget to check us out online at portlandboatworks.com.